8 signs of vitamin D deficiency, and some solutions. Vitamin D is a nutrient that plays a vital role in bone health and the immune system. The body can produce vitamin D when the skin is exposed to sunlight, but many people do not get enough sun exposure, which can lead to deficiency. For example, it's common if you mostly work in an office environment. The World Health Organization estimates over 1 billion people worldwide are affected by vitamin D deficiency. In developed countries, it is one of the most common vitamin deficiencies, particularly among the elderly, individuals with limited mobility, and those with darker skin pigmentation. Here are 8 common signs of vitamin D deficiency. 1. Fatigue and weakness. Vitamin D plays an important role in the body's ability to absorb and utilize calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to fatigue and weakness, as the body struggles to maintain proper bone and muscle function. Symptoms can include feeling tired or weak, difficulty performing physical tasks, or muscle pain or weakness. 2. Bone and back pain. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to a condition called osteomalacia, which is characterized by weak bones and muscle pain. Symptoms can include bone pain, especially in the hips, ribs, and back, as well as muscle weakness and difficulty standing or walking. 3. Impaired wound healing. Vitamin D is important for the immune system and plays a role in the body's ability to fight off infection and heal wounds. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to impaired wound healing, as the body struggles to fight off infection and repair damaged tissue. Symptoms can include slow healing of cuts, wounds, or infections, or an increased susceptibility to infections. 4. Depression. Vitamin D plays a role in the regulation of mood and emotional well-being. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to depression, as the body struggles to maintain proper emotional balance. Symptoms can include feelings of sadness, hopelessness, or irritability, as well as difficulty sleeping or concentrating. 5. Hair loss. Vitamin D is important for maintaining healthy hair and skin. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to hair loss, as the body struggles to maintain proper hair growth. Symptoms can include thinning or shedding of hair, or dry, brittle hair. 6. Muscle weakness. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to muscle weakness, as the body struggles to maintain proper muscle function. Symptoms can include difficulty performing physical tasks, or muscle pain or weakness. 7. Increased risk of infections. Vitamin D plays a role in the immune system and helps the body fight off infections. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to an increased risk of infections, as the body struggles to fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. Symptoms can include an increased susceptibility to colds, flu, or other infections. 8. Skin problems. Vitamin D is important for maintaining healthy skin. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to skin problems, as the body struggles to maintain proper skin health. Symptoms can include dry, flaky, or itchy skin, or an increased susceptibility to skin infections. To prevent and treat vitamin D deficiency, there are several common solutions. 1. Sun exposure. The best way to get vitamin D is through sun exposure. However, it's important to be safe and not to burn. 2. Vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D supplements can be taken to help increase vitamin D levels in the body. 3. Eating vitamin D-rich foods. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, and herring are excellent sources of vitamin D. These fish contain high levels of vitamin D3, which is the form of vitamin D that is most easily absorbed by the body. Egg yolks are a great source as are mushrooms, specifically shiitake, maitake, portobello and button mushrooms are rich in vitamin D2, which is the form of vitamin D that is most commonly found in plants. 4. Vitamin D fortified foods. Some foods are fortified with vitamin D, though not as good as natural sources, can still help with your vitamin D needs. Such foods include milk, yogurt, and other dairy products, cereal, and orange juice. It's important to note that vitamin D deficiency is a serious condition and should not be self-diagnosed. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning that the body can store it, but this also means it can accumulate and lead to toxicity if consumed in excess. High doses of vitamin D can cause kidney stones, nausea, vomiting, weakness, and confusion. If you suspect you have a deficiency, it is always best to consult with your healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and treatment options. Thanks for watching.